Eric is a player like any other player. Why in particular Eric? I don't think it's only Eric from the whole squad that has been there last season. Why in particular Eric? I'm only doing a job here. If 10 years ago I gave Eric a chance to play in the first team, why should I be asked now, 10 years later, why Eric is not in the team? It doesn't make sense to me. Everything has got a lifespan. Everything. How old is Eric now?
He's turning 32 next month.
Turning?
32, sorry, 36.
Take away 10 years. 22. If I then introduced him when I was 22 years in the Highlanders, why should really someone ask a question of what's wrong with Eric? What's wrong with Martin? Oh, I played for Highlanders. What's wrong with him? Why am I not playing? And what I'm trying to say here is that, look, we are not going to achieve anything if we go by people that have their team already out there and are not training it. It's not training. We have a job to do. We've got to identify which players should play for Highlanders. And therefore, that's a mammoth task. I'm not expecting to make everyone happy. No. I'm not expecting to make everyone angry. No. But they'll be balanced, kind of. Some will appreciate what I do, some won't appreciate. That's the nature of the job. But really, let us look at it from the point whereby I played for this club together with my two other young brothers. I stopped playing, they remained playing. How about it? So much going to motivate it when I am and we're just doing a job as a job. Too many youngsters know football. That's why in this country, football is taught right from schools. And if you are going to keep on